Funeral Center must not come here, but through the road condition, yeah. We reach right there, so in the dark, the turn off on the road, and we just buck the island. Lick up in front of my vehicle and just turn across the roadway, down in the bush as you see it right there, sir. You can't use a black rubber tire to make sign on the road. That is unfair. In the darkness, all me can see a black rubber tire. We are company straight all the way, good, and the black rubber tire. So by me see the tire, and fi switch over, me touch the island. The policeman come and see the accident and move the sign, put it on the road, and something come and lick with the road, lick it with the sign. So at least, if a street light cross there, with a bright up this area, that you can see that something change over. Huh? To me, I think the blame on them, because them should much do better. Because you're coming around a corner and buck right in the darkness and the straight road and have to turn off right here. I think it's for them a fault why me crash my vehicle. The Chinese them and the government and what them need to sort out them thing here. You can't let people coming in like that. At least if even the cone was here, where the policeman put here, so if them have a cone right here, even a cone right there, would have said there is a changeover. Huh? No changeover, no cone, no sign of changeover. Some black tires. Yeah, if you even have a light on the post or so you can see the road, it should have better. Then put some black tires and where the policeman bring this cone here. So NWA need to come and authority need to come and fix this.